All right, so these right here, I'm going to show you our bar feeders. Basically what this does is you load a piece of what we call bar stock, which is a piece of raw plastic cut into different, diameters and different materials, different diameters. And you load those bars. You can load, depends on the size obviously, but maybe 5, 10 bars in this bar feeder right here. And what the machine will do, that Doosan machine that I talked about, that will pull the bar. The machine will pull one of the bars through the machine and will cut off the pieces into little chunks like this. And then machine the individual components. When this piece is finished, it will drop off into that the bottom of that machine, and it will start pulling from this bar feeder another piece. It will chop that off, make another piece. So basically, a person doesn't have to take this particular chunk. Number one, cut it into different size chunks, and then take this and manually load it into the machine. You just load one bar into this machine, into this bar feeder here, and then the machine will actually pull it through and cut the parts. So that, obviously you can understand that leads to automation. People don't have to do it on their own. You could actually have that machine sit there for hours at a time making parts for us. Typically we have someone in the shop, whether it's a supervisor or a machine lead, still watching the machines and basically allowing 2, 3, maybe 4 machines doing that same process all at the same time, and then just kind of tending those machines. But instead of having to go in and load one of these pieces into every single one of those machines and possibly taking the chance that a machine goes down and you don't get to it in time, what this machine allows us to do is to feed all that stuff automatically. So we really like that. That's something we've added to basically all of the Doosan machines in the shop.